Good morning. This is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for January 2nd, 2024. It is the first trading session of the year, and the SPX is taking a bit of a hit, down 0.7% to 47.35. We got the dollar index moving higher, 0.8%. Treasury yields moving higher in tandem. And most significantly here, we got the VIX. Matter of fact, all implied vol metrics catching a bid, but the VIX up about 11%, just below the 14 handle. Now, pre-market VIX was like plus 14, so we are seeing some contraction, although the bid on volatility largely remains, and is really a major variable here today. We'll discuss that more in a second. Defensives are moving higher, so we're seeing that grab for safety. Cyclicals, mixed. Energy stocks up 1.5%, growth down, mega caps down. Turning to the SPX, the 4-hour trend is bullish, 1-hour trend also bullish, although there's been a clear loss of momentum over the past week, and perhaps we're on the precipice of a trend change. Now, in terms of gamma, technically still positive, total market gamma 310 million. And our regime is neutral or perhaps sell the rip. Now, this is determined based on where price is trading in proximity to our flip levels, which is essentially our transitional strikes. So if we're above our flips, bullish, it's the buy the dip regime. If we're below our flips, bearish, sell the rip regime. And today we're below both of them, 47.70 and 47.45. So we're technically in that sell the rip. Although we're not trading too far away from 47.45. So if bulls can manage to reclaim, we could see a move higher. If price remains below 47.45, it does open the door down to the major support strike of 4,700. Now, 4,700 is net negative, so it is put weighted. Therefore, if we do test it, we could see a decent reaction. However, if we break it, we could see additional selling pressure, perhaps a further spike in volatility, and a medium-term risk-off move. So major level on the downside. In terms of my own positioning, I am short here this morning. Now, I didn't enter short right at the open because we did have some economic releases, but I did wait for the back test of 47.45, our transitional strike. I entered short, took some profits into weakness, right, double bottom here, and well, we're nearing short-term overbought. We're still holding below 47.45, so the short trade technically remains valid, and perhaps we'll start to see some downside momentum shortly. However, if bulls can reclaim 47.45, gap fill on the upside 47.70, that is Friday's closing price. And I think anything is a go here. If we just pop a look at market internals, it's actually quite neutral. So it's actually not that bearish. However, the major variable is the VIX, right? So if the VIX maintains its bid or continues to move higher, these pops in the SPX are going to get sold, and we could just stay oversold. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean we move lower, but we could just continue to chop sideways here. However, if traders come out, they sell volatility, right? We get that VIX contraction. It is going to invoke buy flows, and we could see a substantial move on the upside. So I think anything is a go here. I wouldn't get overly convicted, and look at 47.45 as perhaps a transitional strike today. All right, guys, that's all I have. If you're not a member and you're interested in learning more, you can visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com. Best of luck out there today.